Good day, class. Our lesson for today is all about delivery documentation. Delivery documentation from the supplier should be provided with the supplies at the point at which they are delivered. It has a delivery notes, provide a detailed account of those supplies and a means of checking that the order has been fulfilled correctly. Receiver's daily report. The invoice, which may be supplied at the time of delivery of some time afterward, should reflect much the same information that it is in the delivery docket, except that may include more detailed information about the unit, subtotal, and total charges for the order. Delivery dockets should contain similar to the original order form, including name and contact details for establishment receiving the delivery, including the contact person. Name and contact details for the supplier, including the contact person. Date of delivery, list of items ordered, unit price and specifications for each item. Ordered number from the original form. It is the example of delivery docket. The delivery docket should also include a serial number provided by the supplier for later reference and easy identification. In addition, it should include information about items that have been ordered but that not have been ordered due to lack of availability. Before accepting goods being delivered, it is vital to check the delivery docket closely. Delivery docket is to ensure that the name of the delivery docket is your company's name. Match the delivery docket to the relevant order form by comparing the number of both forms. Most importantly, check the items listed on delivery docket are exactly the same as those listed on the order form, that the specifications have been met and the correct quantities have been received. You may also need to double check the unit price for each of the goods it is which has been agreed upon. Invoices. An invoice should include all of the details that are part of a delivery docket. An invoice is sent by the supplier for the payment of the supplied goods and services. Invoices are similar to delivery docket, but also list units, price, and totals. Invoice should be serially numbered for security purposes. Duplicate copies are to be distributed as follows: one copy to the customer, two copies to be held by supplier for reference when compiling statement, and a spare copy. In purchase specifications, for example, if you ordered 100 fish fillet, it has 200 grams each, and you receive 100 whole fish, 200 grams each. So the specifications have not been met. The specification for a particular order can include quite a lot of information. So you need to be careful when checking each item against your order form. And or delivery docket. That is that your establishment has received exactly what it ordered. Clearly, this could lead to a wastage of goods and money. It might also mean that a particular dish or service might not be available for a period of time in your establishment, which could then lead to a significant loss of profit. Identifying and recording problems. Once identified, variations or discrepancy between the order and the goods supplied or issue with the general condition of the goods must be reported. A number of steps may be required to ensure any problem are communicated to the right people and that the appropriate response is made. As a general rule, defect or variations against what was ordered are normally stated directly on the delivery docket. Any packaging or goods that have been broken or tampered with should be reported here. Such good should not be accepted by the enterprise. It is important not to sign for any goods that have not actually been delivered. Oversupply. Oversupply of goods ordered is dealt with in the same manner. Again, relevant information should be recorded on the delivery docket, and verbally and possible written reports should be made to the supplier, your supervisor, and the account department. Oversupply or supplies can be just as big as problem as undersupplies due to the potential of difficulties with storage as well as budget consideration. Let us remember, items bought or ordered must be checked upon delivery. Signing the delivery receipt is done after inspection, and the items are found to be in a good condition and comply quantity and kind specified in the order form. And for your activity to be passed on April 18, 2024, direction. Make one example of delivery documentation. It should be written, not printed. Do not copy on the internet. You can write it on a short bond paper. That's all, class. Thank you for listening.